Bella, you gotta look at the camera. Hello everybody and welcome back to today's video, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Tanis. In today's video, my little sister is going to be doing her makeup.
Okay. I don't know what to do.
Just do your makeup how you do it, or just like do it how you do it. I know you're good at makeup.
Not on other people.
Yeah, have you ever done anybody else's makeup?
No.
Who taught you to do makeup?
Kind of you and Emma, but mainly like YouTube. Which brush do I use?
You pick it.
This one?
Doesn't matter.
This one?
I don't know.
That feels good. Okay, use this one. How much do I want? Do I want coverage or not coverage?
You're creating the look, girl.
Okay.
Rubs it in. Okay.
This is why I don't do other people's makeup.
Do you have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend? Is it free?
Okay, I think we need some on your neck. Next.
Oh dang.
They're like snatched. Oops. Okay, what's next? What's this? Is this concealer?
When I was, how old are you? 13?
Yep.
When I was 13, I did not know how to do anything like this. And this girl is putting this exactly where it goes.
This is not blending.
Do you want to drink Charles?
No, he's canceled.
Are you still?
He's canceled. I love him still, but like he's canceled, so like.
I feel like he kind of redeemed himself through that video. Did you watch the?
Oh god, he's so. That video was so cringy.
No,
I
not the
swear.
Tati one.
Oh.
But he did another one. He said no more lies video.
I didn't see.
You'll have to watch it.
Okay, don't move. Scary. I don't know if I put that in the right place.
Yeah. Do my nose.
Okay, now I think I use this to blend again. Perfecting powder, is this what I use?
Yeah.
Oh, I need this brush again. Use this one. Actually, no, I'm gonna use this one. Use this one. What? Okay, now brush that with the big brush. Just get that a little more. Next. Okay, now I would do highlighter. No, actually, I'll do this first. Get this tiny one. This is scary. I don't know how to contour my nose. Oh, I forgot highlighter right there.
I ran out and filled it back up with water.
That's what I did too.
You're so cheap.
We'll do eyebrows later.
Ooh.
I think this is the awkwardest thing I've ever done. Don't know where to put my hand. Looks a little same. When we do the eyeshadow, don't look.
I guess
Okay,
like I can.
okay, I can't tell you what. Can I? How can we make it to where only I could see this? Because I want to show them what color I want, but I want you to see the colors.
Just say, like, just point.
Okay, then you can't look at the.
Okay, I'm not looking. I'll look like every once in a while.
Okay. No, because I'm bad.
I need to talk and look.
Look right here then.
Okay, I will. Yeah, I will.
Don't be looking.
Okay.
Don't be cheating. Okay, I think we're actually gonna go for. Actually, I don't know. Should I do like a rose gold look, or should I like
Don't
blue?
tell me.
Oh no, I'm just guessing myself. I'm not gonna say which one I'm gonna do.
Just do something. Just got really
Okay, just say this. Do you want?
So while she's picking out some eyeshadow, we're gonna do some life updates. I'll do some life updates on me, and then Belle will do some life updates on her. So I gotta go on my phone to like look at my memories, see what I've been up to lately, because I don't remember.
Oh, you. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna do.
So I had my birthday party, turned 17, March 30th. April 28th, I went and got my goats for 4-H. They're literally the cutest. Got my goats. If anybody follows my screen printing videos, I was working on like that whole order of that like big bulk freaking order of shirts. I got that order completely done. It turned out to be 1,668 shirts, I think.
Hey, don't look.
I can't even see from over here. 2 days ago. Are you waiting for me?
Yes, I am.
Oh, you're gonna tell him? 2 days ago, I got rear-ended. I was literally, let me tell you guys a story. Story time.
Story time.
I was literally,
Oh, makeup and story time.
I am doing that.
Oh, no, I'm saying you should put that in your title. Okay, just tell your story.
So 2 days ago, I drive a 1983 Mercedes-Benz. I got it from my brother last year when I first started, when I was about to get my license. I needed a vehicle, and he had his car or whatever, and he wasn't driving it because it had a broken window, and he had a different vehicle and he wasn't driving it or whatever. So I asked him if I could have it, and he said yeah, and so I got a new back window, a new battery, and like fixed it all up. So I've had it for like a year and a few months, and 2 days ago I was driving down freaking Main Street, and I was just driving down, and the speed limit was like 35, and I can't remember if I got stopped at the light, or if I went through it because it was green or whatever, but I was going like 35, and it was about ready to turn 45, and then this guy turned off like on Main Street, and then there was like a road you can turn on, so he turned right there, and then like here was me, and then a car, and then like him was over here, and so he turned, and there was a car, and it's a 2-lane Main Street going, like there's Main Street can go this way or Main Street can go that way. It's like 4 lanes. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but he was in the right lane, and he switched over to the left lane really fast, and then I looked up in my freaking rearview mirror and literally he just smashed my car. I'll insert some videos and pictures. But yeah, I'm very depressed about it.
I think I just used black on accident.
So yesterday I got my truck back, which has been freaking, it's been at Dodge getting fixed for a lot of months. But I got it yesterday, and like I'm excited to have my truck back, but also like I really love my car. It's like my pride and joy. So it sucks to not have my car too. But yeah, I literally have never been more scared in my life. I thought like I was gonna die. I was not sure if I was okay after I got hit. I was literally like, oh my god. Freaking. And then, so like there's a suicide lane separating the two lanes because like traffic just goes one way and then traffic goes the other way. So there's a suicide lane like in the middle of both the lanes. So it got hit or whatever, and then my car was just, I could tell my car was like messed up. So I had to pull over to the suicide lane, and then he pulled over into like a parking lot. And I called some people, and then freaking was just in my car or whatever, and then I got out and my car is literally was just smushed like a little bug. And I just started bawling my eyes out, and then I ran across the street, and then the dude was like, oh my gosh, are you okay? And I was like, yeah, I'm good. And then the cops got called and stuff and like everything, and it was just like, I was like, oh my god. It was scary. But yeah.
Can you close your eyes? That looks terrible.
And then my life is also falling apart. My freaking, I came home today from working and my trailer fell off of the blocks. I'll insert a picture. So my life's kind of just falling apart right now. I don't know what's going on. But yeah. What have you been doing, Bella?
Don't know.
What have you been doing? Just think.
I finished my dance performance.
I'll insert a clip.
You're gonna get copyrighted for that.
Why? I'll take out the music. Okay, what else? Your breast. It's because I just ate sausage.
God, why are your eyeballs so weird? Nothing sticks to them.
Oh! I also went and did a photo shoot. For this little local boutique. It was so fun. I've always like wanted to model. Can you not throw my palette?
Sorry.
I've always wanted to like model and do photo shoots and stuff, and so I got like a little taste of it, and it was so fun.
Okay, actually, you open your eyes. Just blink when I say blink. That's good enough, because you're just...
Are my bottom eyelashes long?
Yeah.
They are, huh? And then my top ones are like little nuggets.
Okay, it looks fine, actually. Three sprays. you like more. All I do is 1, 2, 3. Jeez, no wonder you had
It's
to
just
refill
water.
it with water.
I feel like it sets it, like, melts it in.
I feel like if I don't feel it, then I don't know how much I need. You know?
I don't feel it.
Like, if it's not on my face, then I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Watch, my camera dies right when I...
Oh, God, that suck.
Dude, what the freak?
What? Is it bad?
What is this stuff?
That's mascara. That's because you wouldn't stop moving, so. Is it bad?
Are you kidding me?
Or is it good? I know, lipstick's a little...
Okay.
It's hard to...
Lipstick's a little bad, nose contour is a little bad, and then the everything else is literally so good. And then maybe like eyeshadow right here.
Oh, yeah.
What? My 13-year-old sister just did this. My eyeshadow looks so good though. Because I couldn't do this at 13.
You can't even do it now.
Alrighty guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell because you will get notified the next time I post a video.